Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the Profit Kingdom. This is Devin. I'm Mark, and we're going to go over the 5 most preposterously unique ways to make money online.
Preposterously unique. Oh, man.
So these are unique ways that you probably haven't seen in any other video. We made a very common one, so if you want to watch that, that's the 5 most common ways to make passive income online. But we want to do some ideas that you haven't seen, because there's 1,000 videos out there that just, do YouTube, or do Etsy, and do, whatever.
Whatever, yeah.
So the first one that we're going to go through is going to be the cars.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
You always see those cars that have, like, Buffalo Wild Wings or whatever on the side of it.
Those are cool.
Apparently, you can get signed up and actually be, take part in that. But it's kind of hard to get into, though, because
is it like a magnet you stick on the car?
Some of them are. Some of them are like you actually got to go get your car wrapped, and it's like a full car thing. But
yeah. Like 60% of your car, I think, is said.
Yeah. But, I mean, there's a lot of restrictions on it. You got to be, like, over 21 years. You have to be, like, a 2010 or 8 or whatever. It depends on the type of
newer vehicle.
A newer vehicle. There's, like, 3 main companies out there. I know one's, like, Rapify, and then I don't remember the other two, Carverse. Something like that, but
yeah, we can put them. We'll put them in the description below. So if it's not affiliate, we're not making money on it, but we'll put them down.
It's just an interesting way you can kind of make money online by just driving around.
It was cool, yeah. It is fairly unique because you have to be in certain cities.
Yeah.
So it does kind of restrict you there. But if you're in like Pennsylvania or New York or something like that, then you're driving. They do have a drive limit, so you have to put 800 or 900 miles a year.
Some of them actually have to be for Uber or a Lyft driver.
Oh yeah, that's cool. If you're a Lyft driver,
it only works with them. So I mean, it depends on what you do and how many miles you drive.
Pretty neat.
So I guess how easy is that to get in a startup? Because I mean, those are 3 different ways we're going to talk about here: is how to get started, your time investment, and when you start making money off it. So that
super easy, yeah. As long as they approve you.
That's it. I guess it's
you gotta hit the categories.
If you hit the categories, it'll probably be super easy. If not, then it's
time investment 0.
Yeah.
The 3 hours that it takes them to wrap your car one day.
Yeah. And then when do you start making money? Well, probably the following month. I'm not exactly too sure. We didn't get into too many details.
Well, I'm sure they're asking how much. It's like $100 and $400 a month.
100 to 400, yeah.
Yeah, so it's the one I forget one of them. It's probably the sticker on the side of the window.
Yeah.
The tiny little logo.com.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, that's pretty easy. That's a nice way. What's the second one we got? Print on demand.
Yeah, so like there's some companies out there like Amazon merch. Yeah. Basically, you create your own
merch by Amazon.
Yeah, you create your own little logo, and then they'll print it off on T-shirts and stuff. So basically, you basically like they're buying from Amazon, but they're buying your design, and you make a little profit off it.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I almost bought a shirt the other day. It was like, what was it, like 2 + 3 is like, I don't know. It said I'm bad at math, and it had the numbers all wrong. And I'm still probably gonna go buy it. But if you have like these quirky or smart ideas, kind of like making cards, is if you put those on there, you don't have to have the shirts. They don't make them until they sell them.
Yeah.
And then you just get a commission on that.
And there is quite other few that you can do, like coffee mugs and pens, pencils, notebooks, and all kinds of stuff. It's basically they're gonna print whatever you want, and you just gotta. Now, how easy is this to start? Let's kind of get into our 3 different categories here.
It's fairly easy. Obviously, you gotta have the design. So you gotta have a little bit of creativity.
So
either funny
that's
designs.
Gonna be terribly hard for me because I'm a terrible artist and creativity person.
So easy to start, but hard to make anything with yours.
So time investment here. So I mean, how much time are we gonna have to do all this all the time?
I
mean, to get going, but and then maybe the marketing. But really, honestly, once you've got like 10 shirts up there or whatever, say on Amazon, it's there.
Yeah. It's there, but it kind of falls back to everything that everything does is marketing.
Yeah.
Right? They're going to market it because it's on Amazon, and if it takes off, great. But you're still kind of in a giant pool and you're little fish.
Yeah.
So you do have to kind of grow yourself out of it. Maybe you're making YouTube videos or blogs about how to make T-shirts a certain way.
Or Facebook marketing.
Yep. You can,
Instagram.
and you can pay. You can even pay to do marketing.
Yeah.
So if it really depends on how big you want to scale it and how quick you want to grow.
When do you start making money off it? As soon as you sell your first shirt, huh?
Yeah, I mean, instantly.
I guess.
Well, probably the following month because they're going to pay you monthly. But
so there's a new thing called Flippa, or not really Flippa. So basically, you can buy domain names and sell them. It's like real estate.
Yep, I did this back. It was a while ago. I used to do this. Not heavily, because I was looking for passive ways to make income when I was a teenager, and I was looking into it. And you almost have to buy future domains. So if you see the Coca-Cola of today, maybe it's Billy Coke, and you find that might be a popular thing, and you buy billycoke.com or billycokeshirts.com or something like that, and you kind of pre-buy those websites. Or here's something that you probably haven't read yet, is if you buy expiring domains.
Oh, yeah.
So you can put yourself in line to buy dietcoke.com. And if they forget to pay the bill, it waits about 6 months to a year. But if that time passes and they don't realize it, it goes to you.
Yeah.
And then that's happened. There's actually been, if you look it up, it's kind of funny. There's a couple people that paid $300,000 or more to get their website back.
Wow.
So
I mean, hey, it's just kind of like real estate. I mean, you're just finding the right little niche, or maybe another things too is I think you mentioned to me earlier before we made this video is basically say you're a blogger or something like that. You make this really outstanding website and it's doing really well, whatever. You can sell that domain name and everything that goes with it. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So it's like kind of building a house and selling it in a way. And
Flippa, you're going to see a lot of like the really heavy people that are doing it. Once you grow in it and you've done it for a year or so, you're going to make like a template, and then you'll just load those templates in there so people can go to the website and see it function. And so it's kind of like presenting that solution to somebody.
So how easy is it to start?
Pretty simple. Buy a domain, put it on Flippa. It's like an auction site.
You just gotta have some money. So that's gonna be one. I mean, you're gonna want a little bit of money.
Yeah.
Down hand, or
you gotta be able to wait because it's a patient game.
Well, I mean, you still. Yeah. I mean, whether it's $100 or $10, I mean, you still gotta have that money first.
Yep.
So there's gonna be a little bit of investment in that one. So what about time wise? Like,
just thinking of ideas. If you're sitting at work and you're bored, you're like, oh, tigerdirect.com.
Yeah.
Oh,
I guess
I should do that.
Maybe research or something. I don't know what you would really research in that category, but
finding ideas.
So and then when do you start making money? I guess depends on how good you are at it.
First sale, you make a sale. It's real simple to figure out. You make a sale, you win.
Yeah, and that one's gonna be about how much money you make. It's about how much they want it and how good you are as a negotiator.
Absolutely. Yeah, and it's an auction site, so you could put it up for $15 and sell 1,000 of them for $15 and make $15,000. Or you could get a really big one and sell it for $200,000.
Yeah.
So they're all over there.
Next one we got up is like creating an ebook.
Yes. I
hate
that. I hate ebooks. Don't get me wrong. We're gonna make one eventually, but I don't like to read or write. But I actually used to do ebooks a while back.
About that.
I went to a specific website, and I can't remember it. I'll put it in the description. You would review ebooks, and you would make blogs on them, because you can go to a free blog website and start up and put a link to that ebook, and you would get a commission whenever someone bought it.
Yeah. The other thing you can do too is I don't know why I'm just using Amazon. It's just kind of stuck in my head, but you can like create like a little ebook of something or whatever, like how to survive a shark attack or whatever, and you can actually self-publish. Self-publish it on Amazon, and you can make money that way too. So I mean, just kind of getting out there in front of people, different ways.
Really easy to start. You just got to take your time. If you're going to write one, it's just time investment. That's kind of filling up the time. If you're not going to, it's the time to read it. Yeah. So you really need to do 3 to 5 a week, basically one a day. And then how quickly can you make money?
Well, I guess it depends on what you're doing. I mean, if you're like reviewing for other people or whatever, maybe pretty quickly. If you are making your own, it depends how good it is. So.
True. Yep. And then once again, falls on marketing, right? So if you market
if nobody knows it, nobody's buying it.
Yep. Exactly. So if it's an interesting topic and everyone's searching for it, nobody's filled that niche or that need, then you're going to pop up right away. If not, you got to find an audience to grow it.
Last one is stock photos.
Stock photos are cool. I should do more of them. I haven't done it. I didn't tell you this. I started a website with my cousin called Epic Vector. It's not there anymore. We ran it for a month and threw it away. But we actually made like $100 on it.
Hey, there you go, man. In a month. That's not bad.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. He was really good at drafting and drawing and like making vector files or like real high-end images.
Yeah.
And he's very artistic. And I was trying to sell him with him. And it was pretty cool. Just like stockphoto.com, you can go on there and upload photos that you either take or create, and you can get paid for that.
Yeah. So basically, we want people like, oh, hey, look, I want to put that on my website, or I want to use this for this, or I want to put that in my box, or whatever. I don't really know what they buy them for, but I mean.
Well, because they have rights. You can't just go to
Well,
Google.com
yeah, that's what I'm saying. But you're
and download them and use them. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're basically paying, or somebody's paying you to use your photo on something, whatever it is.
Exactly. So even the free ones, I use a free one for all the videos and stuff I make. There's ones that give away free rights to photos.
Yeah.
And then if you're going to use them commercially, they make you pay for them. But they usually advertise like iStock Photo or something like that, where there's, trust me, the good pictures and the good images. The free ones are good. I'm going to edit them and make them nice and neat. But the really good ones, like you see one, I got to have that. It's only $5. Yeah, I buy it. The guy gets paid $3. Stock Photo gets $2. Everyone's making money.
Let's say you do that 100 times. You sell 100 of those. I mean, so now.
Yeah, it's just building a portfolio. So the time investment, it does take some time because you got to either create, design, or take photos. That's the time investment. It's easy to start because you literally just create an account and then you upload photos.
So, I mean, I guess time investment. So what we're kind of talking about time investment, I guess depends on how.
Probably a few hours a week at least. It's kind of a side hustle.
You could want to make sure you got your portfolio going, and you want a decent sized portfolio, and then I guess when you start making money it would be
instantly. Yeah.
Yeah, instantly as soon as you make your first sale. So go out there and make some beautiful photos, guys. I mean, make some money.
Yeah. So if you guys haven't watched the other video we made, the uncommon or the most common ways to make income online, the passive income. Go ahead and watch that. We'll put a link to all the stuff that we talked about below, like the stock photo websites and all that. And then what we're going to do going forward, definitely give us a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you hated it. Subscribe if you want to follow and learn more. We're just going through income ideas and helping you guys grow an online business.
Hit the little bell, too. Don't forget about that.
Ding, ding. Get notifications from us.
Yeah. But yeah.
All right. We'll see you guys in the next one.